Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and I pulled this chart back because I wanted to show you a little distance here to give some perspective. This is what happened today. You know, we had some pullback yesterday, and then it got more intense today. As I say, Dow down 185 points. But look here, we pull this back, and you can see that this pullback here doesn't amount to much. This V you can see here on this chart, pull in there, that took place on September 6th, and that took place because there was some talk about war with Syria, and that spooked the markets for about an hour, okay? And then it started coming back, and you can see that ever since we came out of that V, we've been just climbing, and we get up here, kind of climaxed 2 days ago with that good news out of the Fed. And then, I mean, you know, the market can only sustain these kinds of runs and levels only so long, and it needs a rest. And I think that's all that happened today. I'm not a slightest bit worried about that. We could see some more downside action. I mean, this is, when you look at this whole chart, this thing here that we've had the last couple of days is hardly even a correction. So we could see some more downside, but this is a bull market, folks, and nothing that happened today is going to change my opinion about the bull market. I will show you, just so you know, that everything is not so bad. We have one good trade come out of today, and it's worth showing. This is in Tesla Motors. It's been a good market ever since we started trading it. And we had a breakout yesterday, and we took it. It just kept going. And we had more upside action on that today, even with the terrible overall market that we had. And we got out of here with approaching $3,000 in profits with Tesla Motors. It was our one good trade, but because of that one good trade, you know, we're only showing $2,300 of loss on what we closed out today. Anyway, I'm not disappointed at all. I believe in the bull, and this is Trader Bob signing off. You guys all have a great weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday. Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, September 20th, 2013. The U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow Jones Industrial Average took a dump today. Dow went down 185 points. Everything else went down today. The market pundits are saying that all the nervousness and worries about the economy have come back and we're going to live forever with uncertainty now. Well, I don't really believe that. You know, I was looking at charts on just the Dow, although I could look at charts on many other indexes as well, and I realized in 9 days the Dow Jones Industrial Average has gained over 900 points. Well, you know, if you get a gain like that, you're going to have some pullback, and that's, personally, I think that's all this was. Now I'll show you the charts. You can see that even with today's big down move, it's relatively small compared to what we've seen in particularly since the beginning of the month. Just no problem all with this. We didn't have a real good day, but at the same time we didn't have a really bad day either, everything considered. We closed out $2,383 negative. That's it, you know, a couple $1,000 what we closed out negative. That's not too bad. And we're carrying negative $3,500 over the weekend going into Monday. So, you know, if we lose a couple $1,000 in closeout trades and carrying negative 3,500 in open trade after the Dow has gone down 185 points and everybody's saying, oh, whoa, scary markets, blah, blah, blah. Now, if that's the worst it gets, that's not very bad. I mean, we have made tens of thousands of dollars in the last 2-3 weeks. It just had a great run. This is nothing. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts.